着想，請全程坐好，將手、手臂同埋腳保持喺滑雪橇裏面，同埋看管好你嘅小朋友。耶！There you are! Ben and I were just talking about you. All good things, all good things. 可以喺度見到所有嘅朋友仔，係咪好開心咧？係啊！呢個下雪節真係完美啦！
希望大家坐住滑雪橇，玩咁開心。呢邊要着乜
Right, everybody, so right behind us is Sliding Sleighs, and it is the other ride that's in Frozen Land here at Hong Kong Disney. We got it on it again with the early access and walked right on. We were in the front row, which was kind of fun.
Yeah.
So it's really cute. It's cute and it's fun, but it is so
super short. I don't even think it was a minute long.
Like, it finished up and I was like, seriously, is that it?
It was silky smooth though.
It was.
You won't get sick on it. It's a kid's coaster.
No, yeah, it's super cute. But here's what I will say. Yesterday when we were looking at riding it, the wait times were like up to 90 minutes.
Yeah.
And there is absolutely no way I would wait 90 minutes for that thing. I'm not even sure I would wait 20 minutes for it. I mean, it was cute, right? And it was great because we got to walk on it and ride it, and I wanted to ride it. But I definitely would not wait for that thing. And again, this is where the paying the $25 for the early entry comes in handy, because you get on all these things that you normally would not be able to ride, or are worth waiting for, that are fun, and you can do them first thing in the morning. So I do recommend it if you haven't been on it. You should definitely try it if you can.
I wouldn't wait much more than a half hour for it.
No, certainly not.